Hi guys, we have the Unity Terrain HDRP update 1.0.2 version. It's look amazing. I use the Unity experimental HDRP DXR template. They said something about updates and so on. We will see what that brings. But I see that my machine is like struggling to render it, but it's still surviving. I have like 33 frames, 35 on 1080 Ti, 38. Okay, but now now I'm surprised. Okay, 34, 29, 28, 26. Okay, CPU is okay, 34, 50%, GPU 82%. Okay, around 30. Okay. That is still manageable, but now should drop really hard on this scene. The grass is movement, the shadowing, shadow of the light shadowing. Oh yeah, 29. Okay, still rendering everything. 28. 29 now with the water. Okay. Yeah, not a lot of objects. Not so detailed. Oh, this scene. Okay. It's going fast. The cinematic machine camera is going fast here, but it's rendering everything. A little bit of drop in FPS, I saw it. Now it's flickering over there, but it's adjusting the light. But 40, okay. Not bad. Everything that is about 30, I'm very sad. That rock, yeah, that rock is not able to render at all. Yeah, okay. Okay. Nice things are happening. Yeah, I can live with that. With tree moving, grass moving, 26, okay. And then the scene where the close-ups on the grass, 30. Super. Yeah. At some point I must update the graphic cards, but okay. For now, I can live with if that scene remained like 27 and not below. It's 26. 27. Okay. 26, 27. Everything that is above actually 25, I will not notice it, like most of people. But those like those fast scene, I can tell that at some point it's like frame drop to 1 because it's like stopping and going, even though the program is not registering it. No, now it was smooth. 35. Okay. Those renders over here and shadowing calculation, but it's okay. That rock will stay the problem. Okay. The sun is hitting it and then casting down. It's not able to cast down. Not sure what happened there. It seems that it's rendered, but or cannot display all the texture on the stone. I'm not sure. But that scene is hard. That if that survive, I'm good to go. 25, 26. We hit one time 25, okay. And then stay above 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay. Yeah, that is acceptable. Now, where to bring this in? It will be nice to have the remote rendering. some power machine that is rendering for low-end machines. I'm using the in that example that I show you, I used the HDRP plus DXR, shadow mask mode, runtime resources, and so on. Built-in targets. Screen space shadows are disabled in the current HDRP asset, which means you cannot enable ray traced shadows. Aha! You cannot enable ray trace shadows for lights in your scene. To enable this feature, open your HDRP asset, go to Lighting Shadows, and enable Screen Space Shadow. Okay. Lightning. Shadows. Yeah. Opala. Ray tracing preview. Okay. Screen space reflection asset. Screen space reflection is disabled in the current HDRP asset, which means you cannot use a ray tracer. Yeah, but update mode on every frame. Let's see, on enable update on light movement and ray tracing in preview. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I'm doing the overlay. You cannot see it in the video, but it's like calculating or overall what my machine is using. Let me see if I put that thing on maximize. $33, $31, $29. Cool. Yeah. That was smooth. Now is more smoother the retracement. Okay. And now the final is on the rock. Now is perfect. Glitch. One glitch. But it's better, yeah. It's better. That is always okay. Yeah, that's it. It dropped to 25 in this section, 24, and then is above 28, 29, and now should bring us up. Yeah, it's 30 and above. That's in 29, 28. But it's beautiful. Everything that is above 25 I will not notice in the game. The major point is that the frame should not stop, like drop to 1 or something. But okay, graphic update is a must here. But yeah, it's playable on 32, 33 FPS, 35. I can live with that for those scenes. Yeah. Millions and millions of polygons. Cool. Tell me in the comments what you are thinking about, and if that scene could be reused for some projects. Last time we put the Maximo character inside and then walk around it. Should we bring more of them to make cinematic mode and cinematic machine following the character? What will be cool here? Or should build some village on top of it? But those scenes are for major graphic cards like 3080 at least. Anyway, the Nvidia released the 4080, now should drop the price for the 3080. The mining is done. It's they moved to proof of stake, then the graphic cards will flow in the stores for resell the used cards. But we will see what will actually happen. Yeah, when the 4080 will have also the TI version or real announcement when we will be available for the community. Close then after will be sell those, and the 3080 should drop, but we will see for how much. But on 1080 Ti, what I have here, two cards, they are not now in SLI mode. I suppose I will be around 40 FPS, but then I don't have all my monitors, like 3 of them. Yeah, now is around in that moment 25, 26 with retrenchment and everything. Ray trace, and I put it on light update when the light is changing, like in this scene, and stay from 25 frames, 26 and above, 27, 28, 30, 26, yeah, light is changing, okay, and now we are on 30, 31 and so on. Okay, oh, I can live with that. Yeah, that scene is smooth, 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 smooth. If survive, I don't need to update right now, and it's right. Super. About 30. Cool. 37, 38, 35, 37. The here the rock, please survive. Now one glitch, two. Okay, two glitches in 4 scenes. It's okay. Yeah, I'm more than satisfied. 30 FPS on this scene, and on the tree while it's moving, 26, 27, 25, never going to 1 frame. I saw it's dropped to 24, but a lot of them are above 28. Now it's 30, like that scene that is hard to render, 26, 25, 26, 27. And I'm also recording myself. I drop a few. Actually, my my camera is not moving. The whole scene is using the whole power. On GPU, I have 84% of usage. VRAM is 42%. The global RAM, my RAM, 20% from 128. Something about 24 gigabyte is used right now. Okay, 36. Okay, 38. La la, 39. That's in remain. Okay, like little bit of problem, but it is how it is. One we saw it, the second glitch, yeah. Two standard glitches and everything else is moving. Super. Now I will bring some context to that scene and talk to you later. Bye. Now we have the real time on the build version, 17 and 16 FPS per card. We are way above 30 FPS. 25 is a limit, is absolute limit, but I'm very satisfied. 36, those glitches on the rock. Let's see. No, one happened, and the other, yeah, those remain, but all other are perfectly rendered. Above 30 FPS, now it's 34, now it's 32, 30. Now on the tree itself, the close-up, and now 30 FPS, 32, 30. Super. Render latency is around 100 milliseconds. 99% of FPS, it's like doing 22 and 24, or rather are recreated or static in the scene, but CPU utilization is even, and GPU utilization, okay, it's using one card, the second card more than the first one, like 100% on the second and just few percent on the first card. Like I said, I didn't put them in SLI mode, but I'm very glad that is actually the 1080 Ti is surviving that pressure of million of polygons on the screen in 4K resolution. Ultra HD in any way, 4K but Ultra HD. Oh, very pleased. Yeah, 18, and now the first glitch should appear. Yeah, the first one, and then for some reason at that point the second. Okay, but yeah, that is more than I expected. Wow, beautiful. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.